embarking on an adventure with the KBO Tornado Step-Thru all-terrain electric bike isn't just about embracing eco-friendly transportation. It's a journey into the heart of versatility and endurance. This e-bike, a testament to innovation and robust design, emerges as a pivotal player in the evolving narrative of electric mobility. With its potent 750-watt motor, fat tires for diverse terrain, and a suite of complementary accessories, the KBO Tornado is not merely an e-bike, it is an invitation to redefine the boundaries of electric biking. Let us delve into what the KBO Tornado represents. It's engineered for those who crave the adaptability of an all-terrain bike without compromising on comfort and convenience. This bike is a promise of a seamless blend of power and accessibility, a harmony we'll explore as we dissect what sets the Tornado apart in a saturated e-bike market. First impressions are crucial, and the KBO Tornado makes a striking one. Available in captivating colors like gray, black, and the vibrant green Step-Thru, its design articulates a fusion of functionality and aesthetic appeal. The color choices are thoughtfully selected, catering to a wide array of taste without being overwhelming. This e-bike is tailored to conquer varied landscapes, from city streets to off-road trails, demonstrating its remarkable versatility. In the world of e-bikes, convenience is paramount. The KBO Tornado excels here, with its Step-Thru frame offering effortless mount and dismount, a boon for riders of all statures. But the Tornado isn't just about ease of use, it's equipped for adventure. Whether it's a daily commute or a weekend trail ride, the Tornado stands ready to tackle any challenge. When compared to its peers, the KBO Tornado holds its own with distinction. The balance between its robust build and the ease of handling is notable, finding a sweet spot that many e-bikes strive for. Unboxing the KBO Tornado is a journey in itself. The bike arrives 90% assembled, with clear instructions and tools provided, making the final setup a breeze, even for beginners. The package includes not just the bike, but all essential accessories like full fenders and rear rack, and a multifunctional toolkit, all adding value to the overall package. Assembling the KBO Tornado is straightforward. The process involves attaching the front wheel, setting up the handlebars, and installing the seat and pedals. Each step is guided by detailed instructions, ensuring a smooth setup experience. Let's dive into the detailed assembly instructions. Remove the bike from the box. Begin by carefully opening the box in a spacious area. Gently lift the e-bike from the box, being mindful not to damage any parts. Place the e-bike on a clean, flat surface for assembly. Next, we want to install the handlebars. Find the handlebars and stem in the package. Align the handlebars with the stem, ensuring they are level. Securely tighten the bolts using an Allen wrench. Next, we want to install the front tire. Locate the front tire and the front fork. Insert the tire's axle into the fork, ensuring a snug fit. Tighten the axle nuts with a wrench to secure the tire. Next, we want to install the pedals. Distinguish the left and right pedals. Left pedals have a reverse thread. Screw the pedals into the crank arms. Right pedal clockwise, left pedal counterclockwise. Tighten the pedals securely. Next, we want to install the front headlamp. Find the front headlamp and its mounting bracket. Attach the bracket to the handlebars using the provided hardware. Mount the headlamp onto the bracket and tighten all screws. Next, you want to test the bike. Test the e-bike's acceleration, ensure it operates correctly. And then you want to check the responsiveness of the throttle and pedal assist. Adjust controls or settings as needed for optimal performance. And lastly, you want to inflate the tires. Inflate the tires using a pump compatible with the valve type. The fat tires should be inflated to a maximum of 30 psi. By following these steps, you'll be ready to enjoy the versatility and performance of your KBO Tornado e-bike, ensuring a comfortable and safe ride on all terrains. Charging the KBO Tornado reveals another aspect of its practical design: the battery. Equipped with a USB, not only powers the bike but also allows for charging devices on the go. This thoughtful feature enhances the e-bike's utility, especially on long rides. In riding the KBO Tornado, the first thing that stands out is its impressive power. The 750-watt motor, combined with the fat tires, provides a smooth and exhilarating ride across various terrains. Whether it's climbing hills or cruising on flat surfaces, the Tornado performs with an ease that belies its rugged build. Battery performance is key in e-bikes, and the Tornado excels here. With a range of 45 miles per charge, it easily supports long rides without the worry of running out of power. The bike's LCD display keeps the rider informed about battery status and other vital metrics, adding to the convenience. The KBO Tornado's versatility is further highlighted by its thoughtful features. The integrated LED headlight and brake light enhance safety in varying light conditions. The bike's mechanical disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power, crucial for navigating diverse terrains. And comfort is not an afterthought in the Tornado. The large and ergonomic saddle, combined with the lockable front suspension, ensures a comfortable ride, even on longer journeys. This focus on rider comfort makes the Tornado a favorable choice for a wide range of biking enthusiasts. In the verdant expanse of the North Georgia mountains, a journey unfolds, one that transcends the conventional experience of travel. Aboard the KBO Tornado Step-Thru all-terrain electric bike, this voyage becomes an intricate tapestry of exploration, discovery, and connection with the natural world. The roads of North Georgia unfold like a masterpiece, composed of a variety of strokes and a spectrum of colors. They wind and weave through the landscape, an ever-changing canvas transitioning seamlessly from smooth paved avenues to rugged gravel paths. The KBO Tornado, with its robust all-terrain design, becomes the brush, painting a journey across the varied backdrop. Its fat tires grip the earth, whether it's the firmness of asphalt or the loose, challenging gravel, offering a stable and confident ride. On the Tornado, the rider finds an unprecedented connection with the environment. The e-bike, with its quiet motor and harmonious integration into the landscape, facilitates a seamless immersion into nature. It allows for a rhythm of travel that resonates with the heartbeat of the mountains, a pace that fosters an intimate dialogue with the surroundings. Armed with the Tornado's all-terrain prowess and enduring battery life, the rider is empowered to venture beyond the usual confines of exploration. The bike becomes a key to unlocking secluded areas, a means to discover the untouched and pristine parts of the mountain where the beauty of nature exists in its purest form. As the journey with the KBO Tornado e-bike concludes, it leaves behind an abstract collage, a myriad of experiences that extend beyond the physical ride. It's about the interplay of challenge and exhilaration presented by the mountains, the moments of quiet reflection amidst nature's grandeur, and the realization of the bike's role as a conduit between humanity and the natural world. In this journey, the e-bike emerges not just as a tool for travel, but as a catalyst for a deeper understanding of both self and environment. It allows for a form of travel that is both introspective and outward-looking, a journey that respects the past and embraces the future. Riding the KBO Tornado in the North Georgia mountains is not just about the thrill of the ride or the challenge of the terrain. It's about forging a connection with the land, understanding its stories, and becoming a part of its ongoing narrative. As the journey ends, the memories linger of the sunsets watched from mountain summits, of the cool touch of a mountain stream, of the quiet that envelops the forest. The KBO Tornado e-bike, a faithful companion through this journey, stands as a reminder of these experiences, a bridge between the everyday and the extraordinary, between the rider and the road, between humanity and nature. In the end, the journey through the North Georgia mountains on the KBO Tornado is a reminder of the power of exploration, the beauty of the natural world, and the potential within each of us to embark on adventures that challenge, inspire, and transform us. It's a journey that goes beyond mere miles traveled. It's a journey into the heart of what it means to explore, to connect, and to live fully in the embrace of the natural world. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Jeremy Vinny signing off. We'll see you on the next one.